How to turn off iMessage preview on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down, and here you see the option notifications. Click on notifications and then here you can click on messages, and now you can click on show previews, and here it will be selected by default when logged. And if you want to turn off iMessage preview on lock screen, then select never. After selecting never, your iMessages preview on lock screen will be turned off. So this is the way to turn off iMessage preview on lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.